Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with technology package, navigation, forward sensing system, lane departure warning system, heated rear seats, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, rain sensitive windshield wipers, garage door transmitter, wireless charging pad, keyless entry, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.